Yo guys! What's up? And welcome back na naman dito! Sa ating channel. Okay? So today mga bossing ko, eto na ang pinakihintay ng lahat. Huwag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Okay? Exciting ang mga magaganap mga kaibigan sapagkat eto kalalabas lang mga idol. Ang dev letter. The 10th letter has arrived. Okay? 35 minutes ago, nabasa na agad natin yan nung 1 minute pa lang. Okay. So, ayan mga bossing, 10th Developers Letter. Thank you, Lords, for your continued support of Lord 9. Siyempre, nagpasalamat na naman siya dyan. Kailan kami magpapasalamat sa'yo. Joke lang. Okay, so Development PD has released the 10th Developers Letter. Okay, highlighting upcoming June. Okay, highlighting upcoming updates, future plans, and new improvement crafted to elevate your journey. Ayan. So, basahin natin, mga kaibigan. Teka lang. May nag-chat. Basahin muna natin to. Okay. Sige. Dito, may nag-message. Ngayon lang, nag-open, no? O, ayan, server. Mapupunta tayo dito. Pag-usapan natin ito mamaya. Okay, ayan. Destination. Okay, so yun lang din yan. Puntahan na agad natin to. Puntahan natin yung mismong, eto. Yung talagang mas detalyado mga idol. Okay, so ito na agad tayo mga boss. Ayan, World Merge mga idol. Diyos ko day marimar, alam nyo na. Okay, Yvonne, Santiago, Douglas, Horacio, mga ganyan, magkakasama na. Hindi ko lang alam kung kasama ang Midea. Okay? Hindi pa yan ha, walang hindi pa nakalagay dito talaga eh. Okay, so huwag mo natin isipin yon pero siguro mga mga 60-40 yan, no? Nakasama Midea. So, comment nyo lang dyan sa comment section kung talagang kasama Midea. Kasi sa ngayon, ayoko muna magbigay ng konkreto, mga bossing, na desisyon na ito ay kasama na. Hindi ko pa po alam. Okay, sa mga nakakaalam. Kasi kalalabas lang mga boss, wala naman nakalagay. Okay? Hindi natin alam kung magsasama na. Okay? Pasahin pa natin yan. The power of unity. Uy. Mid-June, mga bossing, ha? Expected. Yan yung aim nila, target date, mga idol. Okay? Nakalagay dito, this decision, okay, is intended to create a denser world environment, strengthen community cohesion, and bring vitality to the trading market. Okay? So, yun daw yung kanilang yung decision yan kasi para mas sa market tungkol sa market. Ayan, Kita nyo naman yan. Nabahala ko maintindihan yan. Basta yan yung sabi niya. And the lords who were previously spread across multiple worlds come together as one. Come together as one. Parang feeling ko dalawang malalaking alliance lang ang meron dito eh. Basta yun ang pagkakaalam ko. Magkakaaway pa rin yan. Malaki yung labanan lang yung mangyayari dyan. Dalawang grupo. Gano'n. Okay. Guild activities and cooperative content are also expected. Okay, so may mga content na paparating to continue in more diverse ways. So, merging worlds is the first step toward making Lord 9 a more lively and dynamic world. Uy, lively Okay. Sabi nung iba pa dead game na daw pero okay maniwala doon. And then dami na lang ginagawang update to. Mid-June. Ang sabi dito, the schedule may subject to change depending on preparation progress and the final confirmed date will be announced separately. I-announce pa daw nila yung final date. Basta mid-June daw target nila dito. Okay? So, yan, may server transfer na ulit na paparating mga boss. Along with the world merge, a server transfer opportunity will also be provided. Okay? Magkakaroon ng server transfer tsaka world transfer. Okay? Maliwanag Ayan, naglalabas. So, sigurado na yan na may world transfer. Okay? In long term, we are also preparing a world transfer system to provide a more flexible environment. We plan to create a more open and flexible gameplay experience by allowing lords to move between worlds as needed. Mga bossing, meron ako ditong nabasa na exciting mga idol. Okay? Na-excite ako ng konti. Tapos medyo nag-alangan ako, tapos hindi ko, basta medyo mixed emotion mga idol. Mamaya, babasahin natin yan. Okay? So, next, Pagang. Ito na yon. Vietnam region incoming, mga idol. Oh my goodness. Meeting new lords. Okay? So, magkakaroon tayo ng Vietnam people. Okay? Players. Oo, ayan o. Lord 9 is expanding into the Vietnam region. Let's go. Okay? Exciting to ha. Oo. Since global service began in July 2025, Lord Nine has been together with lords from Japan and various regions of Southeast Asia. And now, we will be meeting lords from Vietnam as well. Okay? Vietnamese, let's go. New server, mga idol, paparating na rin is Ben. Okay? So, alam nyo na, gastos is waiving. Sa mga gustong sumabay, oo. Okay, may bago na naman tayong server, Ben. Palagay ko dito, mga bossing, mayroon na naman ditong para siyang boosting na server na naman. Magkakaroon naman ng Orbs Blessing dyan. So, alam nyo na kung paano yan gamitin, mga idol. Palagay ko ganun yan. Okay? Then, may pre-registration notice na dito. Ayan, started May 7, mga idol ko. Okay? Bukas! Bukas, idol, May 7, pre-registration date. Magpi-pre-reg ako dito, boss. Gastos na naman tayo na ito. Pre-registration with, available for lords of the new server is Ben. Ayan, Diyos ko dayo marimar. Pag nag-participate ka, ayan, meron ka daw, special rewards. Siyempre, ganun pa din. We ask for your anticipation of the Vietnam service preparation. Continue show interest in Lord 9 participate pre-registration. Okay, so pre-register tayo dito. Growing together with Lord 9. Okay, ayan The expansion into the Vietnam region carries meaning beyond simply increasing service areas. It is a moment when new cultures, new communities, and new stories meet and come together with a single world called Lord 9. Okay? Japan, Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam. Ganda na niyan ha. So dadami na po yung natin, yung mapagbebentahan ng item. So maganda to para sa mga bumibigas gaming. Okay, so 'yon, abangan pa natin yung mga susunod na mga dito, update dito mga idol, maglalabas naman sila diyan eh. Then ito, meron pang isa, next market trading post integration and operational restructuring. Okay, larger market, more trading, sabi dito. In light of the world merge and new server preparation, the next market trading post will also undergo important changes. Unified World Medea server, tsaka Asia Trading Post merge. Patay tayo dyan. Okay, so halo-halong komento kung ano mangyayari dito, mga bossing. Either bababa or tataas ba yung market ng value? Value. Hindi, Tataas yung mga value ng mga naka-vend doon sa market natin. Yung currently mga naka-vend doon. Mag-comment na lang kayo dyan sa comment section kung anong inyong pananaw tungkol dito sa pag-merge ng Unified World ng Medea and yung Asia World Trading, which is yung luma nating server na trading post na na tawag dito next market. Tama ba yan? Next market yan. Next market trading post. Okay? So, comment nyo na lang dyan sa comment section kung anong masasabi nyo dito. Okay? And single system na daw. Merge into single system nakalagay dito. Okay? Next market trading post for the previous separate. Dati daw nakaseparate yan. Ngayon, single system na. So, pag-iisahin nila yan. Okay? Yan yung isa pa sa mga mangyayari sa atin. Okay? Effects of trading post integration. Ito yung epekto. Abundant listing. Okay. In a market with more participating lords, it become easier to find the items you want. So, dadami daw yung yung mga nakalist na mga kinakailangan natin. Like, for example, yung yung aking Berserker's Pride, na ability, yung passive ko. Isa lang nakalist eh. So pagka ginawa daw yun, dadami daw. Pero for sure, liliit yung value. Parang ganun yung masasabi ko dito. Active trading. Dadami daw yung mga nagte-trading. Stable pricing. In a larger market, price fluctuation are reduced and fair market price are more likely to form. So bababa ata yung presyo niyan kung fluctuate eh. So marireduce daw yan. So yun ang mga mangyayari. Pero kayo ba, ano bang masasabi nyo dyan? Dedicated spend server trading post operation. On the other hand, the newly opened server will operate with... Okay, so sarili lang niya ha. Hindi siya kasali sa 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 merge ng ano ng next market. Dito kasali ha. Oo, may sarili yan, may sarili ang SBEN. Parang Midea lang dati, tapos hiwalay yung sa Asia. Oh, ngayon ito hiwalay naman si SBEN. Okay, this decision is intended to provide fair growth environment, sabi. Okay, fair growth daw. Oh, tignan natin. Okay, dito na tayo sa purpose of trading post, fair competition, appropriate pricing, healthy economy, preserving sense of achievement, maintaining the value of items earned through one's own effort. So, talaga ba? Hindi natin masabi kung mangyayari ito, no? So, yun. Proceed tayo. Face trading post policy, blah, blah, blah. Parehas lang naman yan. A transparent and fair market environment. Okay. Oo, basta yun lang yun. Yun lang yung laman yan, mga bossing ko. New beginning, special benefits. O, ano ba to? New returning, uy, may bago to. Yung new returning user event. In celebration of the World Merge and Opening Session, we are preparing special events for new and returning users, yung bago tsaka yung mga bumabalik. For those starting Lord 9 for the first time, we will provide generous support. Uy, talaga ba? Gano'n ka-generous yan? To help with rapid growth and adaptation. For Lords returning, after a long time, we plan to offer various benefits that allow once again explore El Sierra Continent and Crunchao. Talaga ba? So, tignan natin. Meron tayong nakatenggang character, so tatry natin yan. Detailed event content scheduled na okay. So mag-aano siya ng mas detalyado pa. So sa ngayon, ito pa lang 'yon. Ito pa lang yung nakikita natin. And nag-closing remark na sila dito, wala na 'yan. Okay, so yun yung mga ina-expect natin. Expect na natin 'to, magaganap 'yan. Antayin na lang natin yung separate announcement ng pagkakasunod-sunod ng update na ito. Okay? So yun lang for today's video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. This is Medj TV. And see you in our next vlog. Peace out. Take care. Very much. Bye-bye. GG's.